I'm going to do a time-lapse thing on putting the stickers on the board so you don't have to meddle through that. But I'm going to show you the stickers I got from VAM 23. And I want the first sticker is the VAM 23 sticker. Of course, the gentleman that helped put this on, Mr. G, 1965, got that sticker. And also, the person that had a hand in it was Ten Rides. Got that sticker there. So, well, we'll go with Ten Rides' wife, Glow Chicks. I got a sticker from her. So, in no particular order, Road Glide Andy, and this is Black Phoenix Entertainment. He rides a 22 Ryker, Can-Am Ryker. And Technic rides Ray Gregory rides. Of course, Harley Moonrider, where I got this idea from of putting a board in the trailer to hang the stickers and stuff with. Thank you, Harley Moonrider. I told you I'd give you credit on this video, didn't I? And then I have her three wheels. That'll be interesting to put on. North by Southeast. Got a sticker from them. Roadie Riders, Rhode Island Red, Foghorn Leghorn. I say, boy. Larry 68 HD. I'm sorry, Larry 68 HD. And the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. Now these other stickers I'm going to show you that I've gotten through sticker swaps. These people were not at VAM, but I'm still going to give them a shout out anyway because they're going on the board. Kraken's Garage and Adventures, Eric. I don't even know if he's still doing any videos or not, riding country. Now you got to remember, I've been doing this stuff since 2007. So some of these stickers, like you've seen on the side bag there, where I got my bottle jack and everything, some of these gentlemen and ladies have passed away over the years. But these, as far as I know, they're still alive and kicking. Of course, my brother from another mother, DFW Spider Moose. And then I have Win.Road.Therapy. Oops, wrong stack. Wandering Yankee. Freedom Rider. He still puts videos out. My buddy NC Stoney, unfortunately, he decided to get off YouTube, but I still love him as a brother. You know, I don't care. We still keep in contact, so NC Stoney, that's for you, man. Lonnie Benton, Britex 3186. I don't think he goes by Britex anymore. Yeah, he does. Hey, 3186, I got it right. JP 1970. And last but not least, Darling Lady and her husband, Purple on 3. She rides a Can-Am Spyder F3. Great people, great people. And I got another one from her too. That's cool. I'm gonna put that up there too. So it's really about it. So I'm gonna shut this off and then go into hyper mode, and you can see me put the stickers on. So I'll end it right here, and then you can watch putting the stickers on if you want to. If not, that's okay too. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here. I need to name this trailer. What do you think? Do I need to name the trailer Miss Sally Ann's Limo? That sounds pretty good. What do you think? If you can think of a better name than Miss Sally Ann's Limo, put it in the comments. We'll catch you guys and gals later. This is a Smyrna Cowboy here in Miss Sally Ann's Limo here in Smyrna, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Well, okay, that's all of them. Well, I gotta get a squeegee to get this to adhere to the whiteboard. But that's all of them for right now. If anybody else wants to send me a sticker and I can send them one, my email address is thesmyrnacowboy@gmail.com. If you want to do a sticker swap. Seems like I had more than these, but apparently not. Want to apologize to Tommy G, PSP Tommy G. Y'all sent me those stickers when I was in Encompass and rehabilitation, and I cannot find them. They got lost in transit somewhere. So, buddy, if you want to send me another one, I really would appreciate it. But that's all I got for right now, unless I lost them somewhere. Seems like I've gotten more, but apparently I didn't. So there you go. All right, guys and gals, that's it for right now. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here. Well, I'll just leave it alone. All right, there we go. Thank you.